what we're doing is basically marking. You recording yet?
Yeah, that one's recording, yeah.
Marking it to where we need to grind the paint off. So that way we can weld this stuff on.
You haven't even told them what we're doing yet.
We're making awesomeness. Oh, goggles for safety. We only need one side of these brackets, right? So that'll weld.
I'd like to be able to weld it in 2 points.
Well, I mean, you have the side and the top.
Yeah.
What are we using, 3.5?
Yeah.
The 17.4 or 16.5, so we'll go with 17.
Alright.
That's voltage, right?
Yeah, V's voltage.
Oh, I know that, but I meant, is that what that meant?
Is that what he's asking? I think.
So the other number is feed rate.
Yes.
So we're at 190 and 120. So 150.
Sure. Bar.
It's touchy.
Alright, let me see. How it works. Yeah, that's pretty good. I never turn the gas off. It doesn't leak. Alright, check the feed, make sure we're not getting seen by anyone.
Where is that? Over here? Yeah. Says there's one.
Oh, someone's watching. Anyone commenting?
Maybe.
Alright, do you want to weld this?
I don't know.
You have any idea what we're doing?
You think that'd be pretty?
I mean, well, this is gonna be a shop staple, so it better be.
I'm gonna show you up.
Yeah.
Need a helmet.
Yeah, he got this one. Good. Alright. So you know what you're doing, right?
Sure.
Back and forth,
Yeah, I know how to do it.
and I would pull down this way.
I know how to do it.
Let's just go on the side so everyone can see what you're doing, dude.
I thought the welding stuff kind of messed
No,
with the camera.
not even a little bit.
Oh, well, move the cart. It's on wheels, bro.
Listen, I am right now.
I gotta be comfortable.
Make sure you don't catch the chair on fire. Or the seat belts. We need them seat belts.
What's the belt? But a mere suggestion. That is a giant little.
Hey, it's a weld.
Looks.
All right, now go through the corner and come up.
Yep. You tacked it, you pushed them all tight, right?
Yeah, they're all tacked.
Oh, you tacked this one?
Yeah, I tacked everything.
But it wasn't tight.
What do you mean it wasn't tight?
You got an 1/8 inch gap there.
Hold down on it some more. Oh, no, it's not tacked anymore. Yeah, now what?
Oh, we just got you.
Easy on the leather.
Well, I need to do weld art.
Weld art, is that what you said?
Weld porn.
Oh, weld porn? That's a snuff film, bro.
Really tight. When did you get new ones?
A while back.
Listen, the chair didn't catch on fire. She did.
Listen, I'm impressed. No fires.
I welded before.
Yeah, I seen it. It was you did it for your Bronco. That should be the last one I need. What's wrong?
Didn't have the prop stick to use, but it's okay. I fixed it. Oh, you moved the camera.
I did. It was watching you.
So it caught me stabbing myself.
Oh, you stabbed yourself?
Yes.
Yes. I mean, not yes that you stabbed yourself. Yes, it
You
caught.
hear how this goes, people?
Who?
Oh, people won't pay attention.
Is there actually people watching?
In a sling.
YouTube. That's no problem. Probably should have bolted all this together before we welded everything.
Why?
Because we just made a big ass box that you can't get your hand into. Because I didn't think about it. Mistakes were made.
I thought we got a couple of them. Yeah. Way easier to get to this side.
Yeah, these will be a lot easier to do. Oh, so stupid. Just where you did before. Or just on the side right there where I welded. Anywhere there's a piece of bare metal. I'm not throwing that at the camera, am I? it up a lot. All right, now we just need to hit a wire brush, throw a little paint on so they don't rust.
Well, we gotta put the toe hooks on the front.
No.
One on each corner.
Toe hooks.
Come on, bro. There's no toe hooks in the gyro leg.
That's currently still hot.
Yeah. Bubbly.
All right, put it down.
I did bubbly.
We'll do the fronts.
Oh, hold it.
Oh, bro. It's the perfect height. Go ahead, give that a.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good height.
That's
cool.
I'm pretty stoked about
Let's do the
that.
front. What? Ew, bro!
Yeah, dude, there's nails
Wow.
falling out of everywhere in this
Oh,
thing.
let me come on over to you.
Nobody watching, but whatever.
Day 6 of quarantine.
It's so true, though. Alright, so here's why we don't need to weld on cup holders.
Dual purpose.
We have cup holders.
Dual purpose.
Oh yeah. Yo, this is the best shop chair I've ever been around. I wish they reclined, but then again, that'd probably be a bad idea.
Yeah.
But go for it.
And we need toe hooks.
That is a terrible idea.
I think that would be an awesome
To get towed on this.
idea. There has to be a speed limit.
Yeah, no miles an hour. Because the wheels, it's gonna be like a sled. It's just gonna freaking go wherever.
Put your.
And then where do you put your feet? 'Cause you have to hold your feet up the whole time.
You put it so you have one toe hook on this side, one on that side. So it pulls.
Oh,
like
well,
it pulls nice
actually,
and even.
you
Well, you gotta put leg rests.
if you did this, you're alright.
Yeah.
It's not that great. Watch how hard you lean back.
Why?
Because it moves independently of mine. That scares me.
Oh. Alright. Put your helmet on and your GoPro head, and you're going back to translate.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Come on, you gotta test it. You can't.
How about you test it?
Okay.
Alright, so we're getting ready to do some stupid shit, but we'll see how it works. I just need to find a helmet. I need a helmet. Bro.
Don't do that anymore.
Well, that's obsolete.
Obsolete. Yeah, that would have made a lot of what we did a lot easier.
Hey, look at that. Oh, we missed the spot. Where's that can? Brian missed the spot on the paint. Does this one come up too?
Yeah.
That would have been so much easier.
Yeah, I don't know why we didn't do it that way.
This is awesome. Everything is awesome. Wow, that Joker sent it, boy.
I can't see anything now. The lights all showing on it.
Oh,
Got some more spots.
just just some spot where it was rusting.
Some rust. Yeah. Are you
What am I supposed to do? Push and jump on? What the hell? There's no way to do that.
That's even better.
Wow, this thing rolls nice.
It does roll really nice for Harbor Freight.
Oh, this is caddy, bro.
Alright, up. There's nowhere to hook your seat. See, the problem is it just wants to spin.
That's what makes it even better.
You're driving.
Oh shit, what, ah! Four wheel?
I wasn't even pointing this at it. That's why it's a terrible idea to get towed.
No, because if you pull from here and here, it'll pull it straight.
It's gonna flop all over the road. You've never pulled a sled before, right?
Yeah, with my tractor, it gets gone, boy.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen with that.
Chuck. See that joker good, boy.
Like you do a little bobsled, you run and dive on the chair.
Right? You get going down a hill, that thing rolls smooth too. Where's Brandon? He'll try anything. No, he won't.
Tell them what we did.
So, we had some leftover parts, namely a chair via Cadillac, and we went to Harbor Freight and got some wheels for this thing. Welded some bolted some wheels on.
Let's see what you can
Bolted some wheels on and welded some reinforcement bars to strengthen everything up, stiffen it up. Reinforcement bars to go over it. So, yeah, put some wheels on it, and that thing, we got some other video of it, and it's pretty fun. So, trying to talk Brian into putting a motor on it or some tow hooks, so that way we can get some speed with it. But we're gonna need some donations for hospital bills and safety gear. So, yeah, there we go. Thanks, bye.
You didn't tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
That's gonna be awesome when I go to edit that one.